I mentioned USB 2.0 controller verification. So he asked me about the USB. What is USB? He asked about that one. So what I told, yeah, I told the basic outline of USB. So USB is a host initiated system. So in a USB system, only one host will be there, and we can connect maximum of 127 devices. Okay, so what is the role of that host? Host has to identify the new device attachment and detachment, everything, and it has to allocate the bandwidth for each and every device, and it will going to schedule each and every data transaction. Okay, this is all about host. And device so we can connect, as I told earlier, we can connect maximum of 127 devices. And then generally in USB we are having three types of speed. First one is low speed, which will operate at 1.5 megabits per second, and the second is full speed. Full speed device will work at 12 megabits per second, and third one is high speed. High speed will work at 480 megabits per second. So these are all the three types of USB devices. Okay, and then in USB generally there are four transfer types are there. First one is control transfer, and second is bulk transfer, and third is isochronous transfer, and fourth is interrupt transfer. So for control transfer we can say the initial enumeration and configuration as a control transfer. Okay, initial enumeration and configuration process between the host and device is known as control transfers. And then for interrupt transfer, the example is if you are connecting some human interface devices, we can shortly called as HID devices. For example, mouse, keypad, those things we are connecting with the system. Okay, so we can call the transaction between these two host and these kind of HID devices is known as interrupt devices. So for interrupt devices, host has to allocate a periodic time period, right? Okay, and then the third one is isochronous transfer. Isochronous transfer is generally related with the real-time audio video systems. Okay, for example, if you want to listen some songs from your system, so now the now the connection between the headphone and your system is through USB, means we can say that kind of transfer as a isochronous transfer. And at last, bulk transfer. Suppose if you want to take the printout of some particular content which is in your system, okay, so you have to pass those information to the printer, so that printer will give you in the printed format in a paper, right? So the data transfer between the system to printer is known as bulk transfer. Okay, so these are all some real-time examples for those general four types of transfers in USB system. Okay, and then right now we are having USB 2.0 system, and with this USB 2.0 system we are having one supplementary that is called as OTG, that is nothing but on the go protocol. Okay, so this is all about the protocol outline. And then in terms of pin details, in USB system we are having 4 pins. First one is different D plus, and second one is D minus, and then third is VCC. We can say that is a V bus, and fourth one is ground. So there are 4 pins in USB. Then that's it. So this is all about the USB outline.
Differential signaling concept as well.
Okay, so I told all these things. This is a general outline of USBs. Okay, so then he asked me about why USB is supporting only 127 devices. Okay, so I forgot to tell one more thing: the packet format of each transaction. In general, in USB we are having 3 kinds of packet. Okay, first one is token packet, second is data packet, and third one is handshake packet. Okay, so in token packet it will tell you it will tell the host will tell the device that what kind of packet it will going to transfer. For example, whether it is an isochronous packet or data packet or token packet,